In today's video, I am going to be talking about going viral. Do you want to go viral from your short videos? Do you not? In this video, I'm going to be sharing why or why not you should focus on going viral. All right, so welcome to my new office. I moved in a week ago. It is still a work in progress. I haven't had time to find a cabinet designer to design me something beautiful, but in the meantime, I made this pretty little background with a little desk and some artwork. Okay, so let's talk about going viral. So check out this video right here. This video, I went viral. I've never gone viral. I get views on my stuff. I might get 100,000 views on something or 50,000 views, but it trickles in over a very long period of time. So I don't really go viral. I've never been a viral sensation, which now that I've gone viral, I'm gonna give you my thoughts on it. So I make this very silly video. I'm standing on a hotel balcony at an event. I actually had a cold, so I didn't feel that good, but I just wanted to show people about this filter that I had. Well, because I didn't feel that well, my eyebrows are really crooked. My eyebrows, on certain days, they're just crooked. I don't know why. Like, just some days I do my muscles differently and they get crooked. And on this particular day, I had very crooked eyebrows, probably because I didn't feel good. And I'm aware that I have crooked eyebrows, although right now they don't look crooked, but generally they are crooked. I don't know why, okay? So I post this video. On Instagram, it gets like 4,000 views. On YouTube, it gets a few views. But on Facebook, it goes viral. Why? Who knows? But the comments that really make people really mad, I was really upset that I have crooked eyebrows and I've had botched Botox, which is not accurate. I've never had Botox. But they are all up in arms about my botched Botox and how messed up I made my face. Like, that was pretty mean. And so what's so crazy about going viral is that when you go viral, you stop being in your little safe haven of your like happy little people. Like whoever's watching this video right now, you're my person. You're like my happy little person. You love to watch my videos. You love helpful tips, right? I love you. You love me. When you go viral, you stop being in that safe bubble. And if people are crazy,
they're really crazy. They come out.
and they act all crazy. They act all crazy. And they're mean. And they're yelling at you. And they're leaving mean comments. And they're telling all these lies about you. And it's just not true. So I share that with you because you might say,
Oh man, it'd be so cool to go viral.
it's not really my goal to go viral. Why? Because that's not my target audience. It's not. People who make fun of my eyebrows, not my target audience, right? If you don't like me because of my eyebrows, you've got issues. Am I a nice person? Yes. Am I doing good in the world? Yes. Do I have crooked eyebrows sometimes? Yes. Should you hate me because of that? No. Would that make you mean? Yes. Would I want you to follow me if you're mean? No. So there's the point. We don't necessarily need to go viral to find our audience. I have a small following of about 100,000 people, which might be a lot of people to you, but if you compare yourself to someone who's got millions of followers, it's small compared to that. I don't actually compare. I think to compare is to despair, so I don't compare. But what I will say to you is that if you have followers and they follow you for a very specific thing that you do, that's awesome. That's what you want. If you go viral and a bunch of random haters come out, that's not really the goal. Those aren't your people. That's not really who you want. It's okay to not get a ton of views and have your videos just hit a very targeted audience of people who actually find value in what it is that you do. Those people will become loyal followers. Those people will want to join your email list. Those people will stay connected to anything that you offer. And that's ultimately what you want. Just wanted to share that with you. If you were thinking,
Gosh, I really want to go viral.
I would say you may not really want to go viral. And when you do go viral, the sharks come out. And they try to get you. Don't let them affect your brain because guess what? They're sharks and they are bad. You're bad. Bad, 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 bad. And if you have crooked eyebrows, it's totally okay to have crooked eyebrows because eyebrows are sisters, not twins. And if you found this helpful, feel free to share it with someone who's on a mission to go viral. It might change their mind. And I also want to let you know, I put some freebies below for you if you are looking for more leads, you are looking to recruit more, or you are looking to make awesome reels that get a lot of engagement, but don't go viral. You'll want to check out my guide below. It shows you exactly how to make awesome reels, as well as some of my favorite reels of all time that you can create and emulate and make your awesome versions of and get amazing results. So I put those below for you. I love you, you're beautiful, and go do great things.
Open this, put it in, smush. Egg, sideways, smush. Take it, bowl. There. That's about enough. My foot.